Good morning. Instruction set of 8085 microprocessor. There are 5 types. First one, data transfer instruction set. Second one, arithmetic instruction set. Third one, logical instruction set. And fourth one, branching instruction set. Fifth one, machine control instruction set. Today we will discuss the arithmetic instruction set. Arithmetic instruction set. In arithmetic instruction set is nothing but addition, subtraction, increment and decrement. There is no separate instruction for multiplication and division. How to multiply the two datas and how to subtract the two datas using these 4 concepts: arithmetic, addition, subtraction, increment and decrement. Now to multiply the two datas, for that we can use the repeated addition concept. Repeated addition means, suppose 5 into 6. 5 into 6. 5 we can add the 6 times. 5 we can add 6 times. Okay, this is called repeated addition for multiplication. The second one, 30 divided by 6. Now to divide these two data, there is no separate instruction for division. How we can divide these two data means, we can use the repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction, that is 30 minus 6. 30 minus 6. Now to repeat the subtraction until carry flag set. When the carry flag will be set up in account, this is for accumulator content is less than 0. At that time the carry flag will be set. This is the concept for we can use the division. For multiplication we can use repeated addition, and division we can use repeated subtraction. Okay. In arithmetic instruction set, total 20 instructions: ADR, ADM, ADI, ADR, ADCR, ADCM, ACI, AB data, SUBR, SUBM, SUI, AB data, SDDR, SDDM, SDI, AB data, INRM, INR, INX, RP, DCRR, DCRPM, DCXRP, DAT, RP and DAA. Here, instruction 1 to 6. Instruction 1 to 6. This is for addition purpose. Addition purpose. And instruction 7 to 12. This is for we can use the subtraction purpose. And instruction 13 to 15. This is for increment purpose. And 16 to 18. This is for decrement purpose. And instruction 19, this is for to add to 16-bit data. For that we can use this instruction. And last one, DA means decimal adjustment the accumulator content. Result in hexadecimal. Now to convert into decimal format. For that we can use this instructions. Here AD or ADM, AD or ADM. To add the two data, data one in always accumulator, the second data will be either register or memory or immediately given 8-bit data. Okay. In 8085 microprocessor, there are 6 general purpose register: B, C, D, E, H and N. There are 6 general purpose register and one accumulator. All the 6 general purpose register is 8-bit register. A register, it is also called for accumulator or 8-bit register. First instruction, ADD or Here the OR means any 6 general purpose register with accumulator. Example, ADD means to add to 8-bit data 1 in always accumulator. Second data will be the given any general purpose register data that result to store accumulator itself. Example, ADDB means add to 8-bit data 1 in accumulator. Second data will be the given register, B register, that result to store always accumulator. ADD or means to add to 8-bit data 1 in always accumulator. The second data will be any 6 general purpose register with accumulator also. Now to add these two data, the result always will store in accumulator. Example, A equal to 09 and B equal to C2. Okay, both 8-bit data. Both are 8-bit data. Now to add these two data, 09 plus C2, that result to move accumulator. Here the 09 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. C2 means C corresponding hexa value. C for hexa. This is for 12 in decimal. 12 is 1, 1, 0, 0 and 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now to add these two, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Now result C 1, 0, 1, 1 means B, CB. Now result CB, it will store into accumulator. This is for A register plus B register data, that result to move A register. This is the operation of ADD or. ADD or means to add to 8-bit data 1 in always accumulator. The second data will be any one of the 6 general purpose register as well as accumulator. And add these two data, the result always to store only in accumulator content. Okay. Second instruction ADDM. ADDM. Here ADDM means this is also to add to 8-bit data. Data 1 in always accumulator. The second data will be memory address location data. Memory address location data. Here the ADDM is add A register data plus memory or HL register pair content. Now add these two data. The result always will store accumulator itself. Example ADDM. Here the M represent for HL pair. Okay, and before that we have to initialize what is the memory address. For that we can use LXI H, 8503H. 8503H. This is for L register and this is for H register. These two represent for memory. Okay, in this memory address location, this is for n number of memory 8500, 8501, 8502, 8503, 06, 96, 77, 82. Okay, now which one called M means 8503. 8503. This is called memory. In this address location, some 8-bit data will be available. 82. We have to add 82 with accumulator. 82 add with the accumulator. A equal to 92H. Memory or HL register pair content. Here the M represent for memory address. Which one called memory address? It will specified in the HL register pair content 8503. This is the memory address location. In this address location, 82 data will be available. We have to add these two data. 92 means 10001, 2 means 0010, 82 means 10000010. Now to add these two data, 0, 0 and carry 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, comma 1. Now result to store in accumulator. This is for 4 and this is for 1. Now accumulator in the result, that is A register data plus memory address location data, add these two, that result to store accumulator. Now accumulator 92 plus memory address location data 82, add these two data and the result to store 14 in accumulator. In accumulator it will store only the 8-bit result, not carry. Okay, it will store only sum. Okay, now result will be 14 in the accumulator. The second instruction for add to 8-bit data, data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be memory address location data. The memory address will be specified only in HL register pair. Okay. Next, third one, ADI 8-bit data. ADI 8-bit data. Here AD stands for add to 8-bit data, data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be immediately given 8-bit data, immediately given 8-bit data. Here add A register content plus immediately given 8-bit data, immediately given 8-bit data. That result to store always in accumulator. Example, ADI 89H. Instruction 1, add ADD or data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be register. And second instruction, ADDM means data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be memory address location. Here the third instruction, add ADI. ADI means add 8-bit data, data 1 in accumulator, and second data will be given immediately 8-bit data. ADI means add immediately, accumulator with the given data. Okay, here in accumulator 57H, in accumulator 57H, and immediately given data 89. Now to add these two data, further we can use this type of instruction. This is for ADI, means add accumulator plus immediately given data 89. Now add these two and the result to store accumulator. Accumulator value 57, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 7 means 0, 1, 1, 1. And immediately given data 89. 89 means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Now add these two, 1 1 0 and carry 1, 1 1 is 0 and carry 1, 1 1 0 and carry 1. Now add 1 1 0 and carry 1, 1 1 0 carry 1, 1 0 0 1, 1 0 1, next 0 1 1. Now reserve. This is for 0 and this is for 130 E. 1 1 1 0 means 1 2 4 8. This is for 12 14. 14 in decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value E. Now result is 0 in accumulator. Accumulator result E0 will be stored. Accumulator 57 and immediately given data 18. This is for add to 8-bit data, data 1 in always accumulator, the second data will be immediately given 8-bit data. Okay, first instruction data 1 in accumulator, second data will be register, and second instruction data 1 in always accumulator, second data will be memory address location. And the third instruction, the first data always in accumulator, the second data will be immediately given 8-bit data. Immediately given 8-bit data. Next, fourth one, ADC or. ADC or means AD means add accumulator register with carry. Instruction 1 2 3. Instruction 1 2 3. It will add only to 8-bit data without carry. Suppose to add to 16-bit data. Now to add to 8-bit data. Okay. First we have to add to 8-bit data. At that time the carry will be produced. Now to add carry with second 8-bit data. At that time you can use ADC or instruction. ADC means add accumulated data, register data with carry status also. If carry means it will add with the carry. If no carry means it will add with the 0. Okay. ADC or means add accumulator content add accumulator content plus register content. Register means any 6 general purpose register and accumulator also, plus carry status plus carry. That result always to store only in the accumulator. Example ADCD. ADCD means add accumulator data plus deregister data plus carry. That result to store in accumulator. A register value is supposed to add to 16-bit data. This is for 06 and this is for F2 and this is for 07 and this is for F5. This is for data 1 and this is for data 2. Now to add these two data using 8-bit addition instruction. First we have to add two 8-bit data. Okay. For that we can use ADD or ADD M or we can use ADD I 8-bit instruction for add to 8-bit. Now to add to 8-bit data, if result is within 8-bit, if result is within 8-bit, at the time there is no carry. There is no carry means the carry will be 0. Okay. Here we can add use ADD or ADD M or ADI 8-bit data. Okay. Now to add these two data, if result is within 8-bit, there is no carry means the carry flag will be 0. Now to add carry status plus accumulator with the register or memory or immediately given 8-bit data. Now to add all the three at the time we can use ADC instruction. ADC means add accumulator data and register data with the carry. If carry means supposed to add to 8-bit data, if result is more than carry and this is for sum and carry will be move into CY, we have to add with the carry also. Carry accumulator with the register. At that time we can use this type of instruction. Okay. Here accumulator 92 and register content here register B equal to 87 and carry equal to suppose 1. Carry equal to 1. Now add all the three. This is for 92 plus B register 87 and carry 01. Now add all the three. 92 means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. 87 1 0 0 1. Sorry 0. 7 means 0 1 1 1 and carry value 0 1. Now add all the three. 0 1 1 means 0 and carry 1. 1 1 1 means 1 sum and carry 1 1 0 0. This is for 0 and carry 1. This is for 1 0 0 0 means 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 means 0 and comma 1. This is for sum. This is for sum and this is for carry. This is for carry. Now result 0 A. Accumulator will be stored 0 A and carry will be stored into 0 1. Okay. This is the format for we can add to 8-bit data with carry status also. Fifth one, ADC M. Here ADCM means data 1 in accumulator, second data will be memory address. Now add accumulator, memory address with carry also. If carry means add with 0 1, no carry means add with 0 0. Okay. Example, data 1 in accumulator 57, memory address location data 24H, and carry no carry 0. Now to add all the three datas, data 1 in accumulator, second data will be memory address location data, and third data will be carry. Now to add all the three, at the time we can use ADCM. ADCM means add accumulator content plus memory address location data or HL register pair content plus carry status. That result always to move in accumulator. First we have to initialize what is the memory address. For that we can use LXI H,8500H. This is for to load the given address in HL register pattern. This is for L register and this is for H register. These two represent for memory address. Okay, in this address location data, what will be the data in 8500? Suppose this is for n number of memory address location. Okay, in this address location 1, 8, this is for 27, this is for D6. Okay, now to add accumulated data 57 and memory address location data 24 and carry 0. We have to add all these three datas. Data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be memory address. Which one for memory address? The address will be specified in HL register pair content. Now this is the memory address location. In this address location, data 24 available. Now to add 24, 57 and carry will be 0. Now to add all the three, at the time you can use ADCM instruction. Here 57 means 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 7, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 24, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 4 means 0, 1, 0, 0 and carry 0 means you can add all the three datas. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 means 0 and carry 1, 0, 0, 1 means 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now result 7B. The 7B will be stored in the accumulator. Okay. This is for to add to 8-bit data with carry also. Next, sixth one, ACI 8-bit data. ACI 8-bit data. Here ACI means add accumulated data immediately given 8-bit data with carry status also. Example, accumulator 25 and immediately given 8-bit data 91 and carry, suppose carry data 1. Now to add all the three data. Data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be immediately given 8-bit data, and to add with the carry status. Suppose carry equal to 0, 1. Now ACI 8-bit data. 8-bit data means 91. Okay. ACI means add accumulator immediately given 8-bit data with the carry. Okay. Example, accumulator plus immediately given 8-bit data plus carry. Add all the three data and the result always to store in the accumulator. Accumulated data 25 plus immediately given 8-bit data 91 and carry 0, 1. Now add all the three and the result to store in accumulator. 25 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Sorry, 1 0 and 91 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. Now add all the three data. 1 1 1 means carry sum 1, carry 1. 1 0 0 0 means 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. Now result, this is for D and this is for 7. Now result in accumulator D7 will be stored. Okay. In instruction 4, 5, 6, add two 8-bit data. Data 1 in always accumulator. The second data will be, this is for data 1. Second data will be either register or memory address location data or immediately given data. Okay. And third data for carry status. Now to add all the three and the result always to store in the accumulator. Okay. Instruction 1, 2, 3. To add two 8-bit data without carry. Data 1 in always accumulator. The second data will be either register, memory or immediately given data. Instruction 4, 5, 6. To add two 8-bit data with carry status. Data 1 in always accumulator. The second data will be either register or memory address location data or immediately given 8-bit data. And the third data will be carry status. Now add all the three and the result always to store in the accumulator content. Okay.